One of our manufacturing customers gave us a reference contact to the managing director of a chemical plant who is interested in digitization initiative. I did WhatsApp message to the managing director to get his appointment and to understand his requirements. He gave me the appointment and I called him. As a first conversation, the managing director asked me, Ram, I have 3 questions in my mind on digital for the organization. Question number 1. Why, how, what, where and when to start digital in my organization? Question number 2. How to identify the digitization priorities and its return on investment? Question number 3. Will my team and the workforce ready to embrace the change to digital? Everyone, listen to me very carefully. In most of the manufacturing business leaders' mind, the same 3 questions exist. From our experience with 40 plus global digitization implementation and 200 plus market analysis with manufacturing leaders, we have come up with Industrial Digital Readiness Assessment Toolkit for free. Filling this simple free 10 minutes assessment tool will generate a report which will help the manufacturers to understand what is a current state of digitization in their organization. It will help them to identify the gaps. It will help them to prioritize the use cases. It will help them to prepare the business case with return on investment. It will help them to create the roadmap for next 3 to 5 years in digital transformation. All you need to do is just click the link given in the video description, which will open the assessment tool, fill the form, generate a report, and get prepared for a structured digital transformation to achieve your successful business values. Start the assessment now. Thanks for watching.